Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to disable chat in League of Legends. In order to disable the chat in League of Legends, firstly we'll need to head into a custom game. So I'll open up the play button and go into training mode. Click on practice tool and just simply get into the game. So after getting into the game, all you need to do is just press the escape button. Go to the interface menu from here. Scroll down until you find the chat option. Here it is. Now on the change chat visibility, drag it down and select pre-made only. Then click OK. After doing this, all of your chats will be with your pre-mates, like the persons that are in your lobby and nobody outside them. And if you do not want to chat with them as well, just head into the chat of League of Legends, press /mute all. By pressing /mute all, everybody on your team and the enemy team will be muted and you can enjoy a peaceful game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.